you know, with some fresh air. You're entering into summer, guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for joining me once again in this video. If you are new here, hi, my name is Seky, and on this channel guys, it's all about nursing, homemaking and lifestyle. So guys, today is Sunday, we are back from church, and let me tell you guys, we were blessed today. We were blessed. You know, the pastor was preaching guys, was on fire. Shout out to you, Pastor Simba. Thank you for teaching us to work, to put our hands to work, guys. This is how to work, guys. And I was happy, guys, because I am that person who has already started working, guys. I've started working, guys, putting my hands to work. So he was teaching us to work. The grace is there, the anointing is there, so why not? Why being idle? Go and work, guys. So I was happy, guys. I was blessed, I was encouraged, I was pushed, guys, to work. So I'm going to work. You know, guys, we've already started working. You know, if you are doing like 2-3 videos a week, then considering that I go to work, I am a full-time working mother, guys. I go to work every day from 7 to 4 o'clock. Then I am a mother of 3, a wife. Guys, what else do you want? I've got an online side hustle, guys. I've got an online boutique. So yesterday I received my order, guys, and I want to start working. I've got a lot that I want to do today, guys. I just want to start shooting, taking pictures for my Instagram, for my WhatsApp group, then Instagram, so that I can advertise, guys. I also want to do a haul, guys. I bought some things for my family, and I'm going to do a haul. I don't know whether I'm going to do a haul or else Shanti will do the haul, then I'll be doing what? I'll be shooting the videos I'll be shooting the pictures for my Instagram. Got an Instagram page, guys. It's Seky. Go and check it out, guys. We also have a WhatsApp group that we use to advertise and sell our products there. So guys, I have a lot of things that I want to do today. I've got a video that I want to finish editing. I want to finish editing a video that I'm going to post today, guys. Today. So I'm going to post that video. Edit around 5 there. Then I don't know whether I'm going to start editing this video today or tomorrow. Obviously tomorrow on Monday we don't have a weekend vlog, guys, because hey, things are so tight like this. Things are so tight, guys. So maybe if I start editing that video not today, no, maybe tomorrow, because tomorrow after work, because we have a list tomorrow, and I don't know, tomorrow or Tuesday, because Monday we are having a list, then on Tuesday first eye dressings and a clinic. Then I mean, maybe tomorrow even I'll start editing it tomorrow, then maybe I'll finish editing it tomorrow and Tuesday night. I mean, that's the plans, guys. That's the plans for today. Oh my God. Anyway, guys, let's get into the video. I'll see you guys later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today I'm going to be taking off. I'm going to do a short, maybe for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm going to be doing the whole thing, showing you what my mom bought for us. Actually, this outfit that I'm wearing, my mom bought for me. I actually went to church wearing this one. It's a new outfit, as you can see. It's comfortable, nice, fashionable. As you can see, I can do it in the style. I can even do it like this. I can tie it, I cannot even tie it. So this is what my mom bought for me, guys. Look at it, it's so cute, even though it's my favorite color. And you know, I feel comfortable, and you know, these days those little pieces and stuff. So yeah, I'm actually comfortable. And I was wearing this with these heels, the black heels today at church. She actually also bought something for my brother and my dad, actually. And this shoe is actually a nice one, strong, and I like the color. It's nice, you know, the shoes. And this one's for my dad, and also my brother wants, he has the same color. And we didn't get different colors, they want the same color. And this is for my dad. And then this is the same shoe. And then some formal shoes. This is for my dad again, a formal shoe. This is the shoe. As you can see it, guys, like this is the shoe. You can see it, right? This is the shoe. This is the formal shoe. So I'm just going to put it back from the box. And formal shoes for my brother. I guess this is just the same color, because there were no different colors by the way. So this one is for my brother. These are for my brother.
You say it's just like that.
Yes. Too big. Actually, I need to talk natural, so you wouldn't different. And don't bother to zoti. Yeah, the EP because we much I need to talk. And this is what my mom bought for us. And this one, guys, like feel this one. Yo. Yeah, I need this like this one's so nice, guys. This one's so nice. It's for my mom, but I'm going to steal it though. You know. When I'm going out with my friends, I'm going to steal this one. You know, this is for my mom. And she bought this, guys, a mic. She's going to be using this one to do a thing.
For the podcast.
Yeah, for the podcast.
Yeah, I'm starting to buy my podcast equipment for the sit down videos.
Yeah. As she's saying. So there are different colors for this one. There's gold, black, silver, gold, blue, pink. Actually for my mom it's pink. Let me show you, guys.
She's a girly girl. She's a girly girl. Your mom
Hello.
is a girly girl.
Okay, this is for my mom. This is the mic. So she's going to be using this one. We can use a USB code. We can use a memory card. And it's actually a Bluetooth speaker also at the same time. I can connect my songs here. So when she's not around, I'm going to steal this one. Right? Okay, don't tell her. So this is how we make it.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
As you can hear, like I hear it in here. I'm going to steal this one. So she's going to be using this, guys.
What? What's going on?
Let me just switch it off. I'm already switched off. So this is what my mom bought for herself, or, you know. But I'm going to be stealing it also, so that you know. There's also a charger. This thing is so nice. Like especially for us, you know. This is the charger, stuff, you know. So this is what she bought for herself, especially for herself. And this is nice and so nice. Put it back. So guys, these are my dad's shoes. These ones, as you can see. Yakasimba shangu iyi guys. Yakanaka ndati. This is the shoe. This is the shoe. This is the shoe. Like, yo, when my dad, I'm now imagining my dad wearing this with some jeans. Hey guys, I'll pin sama. Yo, this one, I go tell you. This one is nice, actually, for my dad.
It's a bit light in complexion, so it will go hand in hand.
Yeah, it actually
is vanilla.
It's actually
is vanilla.
So guys, this is what my mom bought for us, and my outfit, you can see it. I'm actually feeling myself though. Yeah, it's summertime, so this one is it's like this. It's like this. I can make another style. I can even tie it like this. Okay, like this. Yeah. It depends when utufuyenzani fuba iphume injani. Mina ngithanda inje. Then this is how is it like for summertime, like guys, you can see it. This is how it is. Bona givaravula valavum, it's too big. The air yangena. Umoya yangena, you know, there's some fresh air. It's summer, guys. So this is what my mom bought for us. Thank you guys for watching this. Enjoy.
I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I start feeling cold, get caught up in something old that's been further down the rabbit hole. Down I go, down I go. Ooh. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. In the past, worry about the present. How do I make it last? Oh, make it last. In the past, thinking about the future. Is it gonna be